Alrighty guys, Maverick's Adventure here, and today we are back here in my backyard. We have the chickens, of course, right there scratching away at my pine straw. But anyways, I have this, I found this at Ross's, I think Rose's, no, it's not Rose's, Ross's. This Coleman outdoor kitchen stainless steel mess kit. As you probably don't know, as you probably should know, I shop around to try to find stuff that piques my interest, and that's not a good deal. It ain't way expensive because I'm not too expensive, but I seen this and it was like for $5, I think, and then somebody showed it to me and said that they might be on discount for less, and it's $1. So it's normally like it's normally $15 right there. So you might be able to see it right there. It's originally $15 and I got it for $1. So I was like, yeah, well, might as well. I mean, that's a good video right there. So I'm going to boil some water in here, going to test out the cup. That has a little bowl in there too, and another little pot. And it has little handles. Let me set this down real quick. And it has little handles right here. I don't have a table, so it was on the ground. But it has a little like saucepan, a little that pan, a cup, and a like plastic bowl, it looks like, and the handles so for the pot. So let's open this up and see what's inside. This, ooh, God, okay. I'm not sitting in the camera chair in a while. But now we're gonna open this up, see what's inside, see how big everything is and all that. Okay, so it just comes off like that. It's way past the return date, so it's mine now. But I don't plan on taking this back for, especially just for $1. Yeah, that's a real good deal. Okay, that's how it comes closed up. One pot on top, one pot on the bottom. That's actually a pretty big pot. I mean, that's pretty big. Coleman, of course, so nice to always have something Coleman. I want to do this over an open campfire. I have a Coleman grill, but I want to do it over an open campfire because that's kind of what it shows right here. I thought. Never mind. But normally you'd probably use this for like camping, tent camping or camping in the wild or whatever. Normally if I go camping, I just get pots, like just, I mean, I have pots out of the house and stuff like that. Well, we bought a set of pots for the camper, so the camper has their own set of pots. What's this now? Oh, just the handles, okay. Got this wrapped up good and nice. Let's see. Oh, crap. Alright. Okay, here's the handles. There's two of them, of course, and are they locked together? Oh, it's one handle. Okay, so you only got one handle. Okay, I thought you get two. That's what I thought it was, but it's only one handle. Okay. Here is the pan, one of the other pans. I reckon you just lock it in like that. Yeah, that's how it works. Then you got a good pan. Okay, that's pretty cool. Look, that's how it works. You take this right here, and it has a little lip. I mean, you take it, put it down in there, and just like that. There you go. And then you have to hold it tight, or it should come undone. It's hard, but it shouldn't. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Okay, there's that pan. There's the handle. Okay. Plastic cup, so it is not metal. I thought it might be metal. It's a plastic cup, actually. Okay. Just a standard plastic little mug. I thought it might have like the ounces or something on it. No. Just a little mug, okay? Now, of course it's going to be a plastic bowl. If the cup's plastic, it's going to be plastic too. I mean, it's not hard plastic, but it ain't flimsy plastic either. It's actually like decent. I mean, I actually thought it was going to be like a little cheaper made. It ain't that bad actually. I mean, it's actually a pretty good bowl. Plate, cup the same way. It's not, don't bend hard. It's like, I mean, it's not bad at all. I thought it was going to be pretty bad actually. Okay, and then here is the big pot. Okay, this is probably the pot I'll warm the water up in for another video. If you stick around for that video, go check out that video too. That's what I'm going to use the water for. And to test out the pots and everything too, so how fast they warm up and all that. But let's get the handle, try it on this pot too. It should be the same. Yep, there we are. Works exactly the same. That's pretty cool. I like the way they designed this handle. It's pretty cool. I wish I'd give you two for both pots, because I mean normally you cook with both pots, but I mean it's still still pretty nice to have, just like, you know. Then the handle's very nice. I like the way it is. It's made out of steel. It's made out of I thought it was gonna be made out of silicone actually, but it ain't. So that's actually pretty good, like hard silicone. It's actually made out of metal, so probably need to go get an oven mitt. But yeah, so now let me get the fire going so we can put this on the fire and get our water. And get our water warmed up. So let's get on to that. All right, got this metal grate, got my water right there. You need a cup of water for what I'm making, so there's a cup of water there. Then I got a grate right here to warm to put the pot on so we can warm up the water and shit and stuff. So let's go ahead and get into that. I'm gonna get the fire started and it will be speed. All right, we're testing out the mug now. I got some drink to put in there, and as you can tell from the drink, I got coffee. Because why not? It's only 80 degrees outside, so let's try it out and see. Actually, a pretty good mug, actually. The coffee's hot too, so the coffee's hot, so it ain't flimsy or nothing. Normally, if you got something hot in the dang cup, it'll become flimsy. If you hearing the lawnmower, Mama's mowing the lawn. I gotta help her weed eat here in a minute, but I'm trying to cook my lunch. That's why I'm out here doing this, cooking lunch. I know Mama's ate her lunch, but I'm very great. This is a very great set, very great mug, very great everything. So let's get into cooking warming up the water and yeah, everything else. So you just seen I finally got the fire raging good and hot, but now you see a little I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there's little bubbles in there. So that's how I want it. So yeah, the pots actually work pretty good. The saucepan are the same thickness and everything, and also the cup is 6 fluid ounces, and the bowl is 6 inches deep, and then what's the other thing? The 12 ounce, no, it's a 12 ounce cup, a 6.5 inch frying pan, and a 2 quart cooking pot. So this is 2 quarts, the other one is a frying pan, a 6 inch frying pan, so the water's doing good. So anyways guys, if you guys have liked this video of me doing a Coleman kit review, please give this video a like, hit that subscribe button, hit a little bell so you get notified every day. At least I release videos every 3 days. And comment down below, what would you like to see next? I mean, would you like to see more of these like little Coleman things? because I know where a Coleman store is where I can pick up stuff like this. So if you'd like to see more, stick around, hit the subscribe, notifications, all that, and comment what you want to see, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. All right, so here's the bowl from the Coleman set. I know I'm using the chair as a table. I meant to grab a table and I just forgot. So here's what the bowl. This bowl in hot water because I shot out showing the water for the soup I'm gonna eat too. If you want to go check it, I'm gonna do a review on this too. If you want to go check that out, it'll be, I don't know if it'll be after or before this video, so stick around for that. But anyway, this is the soup. The bowl, the water was boiling hot, still hot as heck, and it's pretty good. I mean, it ain't the best in the world, but it ain't the worst in the world either. I mean, a bowl's gonna be hot if you got something hot in it, so I mean, you can pick it up, but it's just, yeah, it's still good. This did not come with it. This Ozark Trail thing. If you'd like for me to do a review on this too, I will. So yeah, see you next time.